Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see themes option. Then just tap on themes and give it a moment. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, and then tap on top, and that's it. From here you can download unlimited theme, and you can download any theme as you like. If you want to download and apply this theme, just tap here and then tap on download and give it a moment to download it. And the download is complete. Now just tap on apply and give it a moment again. And it's done. You can see in my phone theme has been changed successfully. Also, if you want to find your downloaded theme, just go to same settings again. Then tap on menu. Then tap on my stuff. And that's it. On the My Stuff option, you can find your all the downloaded and default themes. And that is how you can change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.